Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to a new video. This video is related to area of triangle and area of semicircle. It is 0580 May June 2024 IGCSE Mathematics. This is question number 25. In it we can see a triangle and a semicircle, both are combined here. The diagram shows a shape made from a triangle JKL and a semicircle with diameter JL. JKL is an isosceles triangle, isosceles right angle triangle with JK is equal to JL is equal to 12.8. It means both sides of right angle triangle are equal 12.8, 12.8. First thing we are asked to find is area of this shape. So how can we find area of triangle JKL plus area of semicircle? So that will give us the total area. So here we calculate it. Area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 base into height. Base is 12.8, height is 12.8. So both are multiplied and divided by 2. So this is the area. Using calculator we can find 12.8 multiplied by 12.8 divided by 2, that is 81.92. 81.92 is area of triangle. Now we will find area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So radius is half of this. Half of 12.4 is 6.4. So pi is 3.1416. Multiply by radius is 6.4. Its square and divided by 2. Divided by 2 is due to the fact that it is a semicircle. So let us calculate it. 3.1416 multiply by 6.4 multiply by 6.4 as it is square and divided by 2. Divided by 2 this time is due to semicircle. So this becomes 64.34. So 64.34 plus 81.92. So these two make the total area. It is 146.26 centimeter square. This is total area of this shape. Next thing is we have to find perimeter. Perimeter is length of this boundary. We can mention it here using this red color pen. Length of this boundary is perimeter. So to find this we will have to find the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse of the right triangle. This we have to find. So by using Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Perpendicular is 12.8, its square, plus base is also 12.8, its square. 12.8 square, 12.8 square, what is it? 12.8 multiplied by 12.8, and square is 2 times, right? 2 times square, so multiply by 2 can also be done. It is 327.327.68, but we will have to take square root of this also. Square root 327.68. So this value is 18.1. H is 18.1. We can write it in the figure here, 18.1. So then this 18.1, 12.8. The length of the boundary includes this 18.1, 12.8 and this circumference of the semicircle. Now we calculate circumference of semicircle. Circle circumference is 2 pi r. For semicircle we divided by 2, so pi r is the value. Pi r means 3.1416. Multiply by radius is 6.4. So let us calculate this now. It is 6.4 multiplied by 3.1416. It is 20.1. 20.1. So this curved area here is 20.1. You can see in the shape in the figure. Now we add 18.1, 12.8 and 20.1. Perimeter of this compound shape is 18.1. From the figure you can see this length of the boundary includes 18.1, 12.8 and 20.1, and this gives us the total value. It is 18.1 plus 12.8 plus 20.1, and this is 51. So perimeter of this shape is 51. Area is here 146.26. This is area, and perimeter is 51 centimeters. So this is slightly time taking, calculation based and some concept based question. So thank you so much for watching this video.